See? Okay, I'm done. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty. Today is going to be a fun video because we are going to be using the mini washing machine that people have been using to clean beauty blenders. And the first person to do this is named Tiffany. She did it on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook Live, and she also did it on YouTube. So I will link her YouTube video down below. But I'm excited to try this, y'all. It comes with batteries. I will also link where I got it from down below from Amazon. And y'all, I bought two. So if we're interested in a giveaway for this little contraption, let me know, because if it doesn't work and y'all still want it, I will put it in a giveaway. But without further ado, let's see if it works. Now, I already pre-filled it with water. And I actually have the same exact soap that Tiffany uses in her video, so I'm excited about that because this came in BoxyCharm. And this is face wash, and I shouldn't be using it because I kind of want to use it on my face. But since she used this, I'm going to use this. I'm also going to add a tiny bit of brush cleaner. This is the Cinema Secrets brush cleaner. And then dunk a beauty blender in. Alright, so dirty beauty blender. I used foundation and powder with this, so let's see if this actually does the job. And just to let y'all know, this is a toy. It is not made to wash beauty blenders. It's just a trend that's going on right now, so I won't be disappointed if it doesn't work. Now we're gonna press the button. We're gonna stop it. Same way she did it. We're gonna... Oh, that's so messy. That's so messy. Oh shoot. I don't know how she did this so well. Okay. After she did that, she put it back in and she let it go again. Look at this. This is actually pretty fun, not gonna lie. Okay. What I do notice is that when the beauty blender gets completely soaked, the little thing that spins on the bottom starts spinning less because I guess the beauty blender gets a little bit too, what's it called, heavy for it. I feel like I just wasted face wash. But we're gonna refill it and then try again. Before we refill it, I just want to show y'all how it drains because this is pretty interesting. So this little hose right here goes like that. This is such a cool toy. If this would have existed when I was younger, I would have been excited. Okay, it is empty. So we're gonna add a little bit more of the face wash. Oh, just a tiny bit because I don't want to spend too much face wash on this. This is a mess. So we're gonna dunk this right back in. I don't know how this girl did it without making a huge mess because, y'all, I am making a huge mess. And, that didn't do anything. In the video that I saw on Instagram of her using this, it looked effortless and not messy at all. But this trial is proving otherwise. Not gonna lie. Okay, this is the last shot I'm gonna give this one. Okay. Now it wants to go fast after I remove the freaking thing. Tiffany, if you watch this, how? How'd you do this? How the heck did you do this? It's a little bit better than what it was, but it's still pretty darn dirty. I think this is the more satisfying part of this video for me. Watching this happen. Who else agrees? That's too much face wash being utilized for this. Okay. So this time I'm going to be putting my micro beauty blender in. So what I use this for is my eye primer, my concealer that I put up here, my powder that I put up here. This is very good for working on the eye. So we're going to put that in there. See if there's a difference, because there's a difference in weight. And I notice when this gets heavier, this tends to stop working. So I imagine that if I put my Believe Beauty sponge, it wouldn't work at all. So we'll try that next. Okay, we go squeeze it, put it right back in. Okay, so that is my mini beauty blender. I don't think it fits, but yeah, let's see. Okay, I'm done. But yeah, so my hypothesis was correct. And weight really does matter. So if you're putting something smaller than a beauty blender in, it'll probably work. But if you're putting something bigger than a beauty blender, it probably won't work. If you're putting in a beauty blender, then it's gonna work so-so, and that's how the story goes. I'm gonna remind y'all that this is a toy. This is not meant to be a beauty blender washing machine. But if y'all are still interested in this product and want to try it out, in order to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below what your favorite beauty sponge is. So whether it be Morphe, Real Techniques, Believe, just comment that down below, and this giveaway will end in a week, say next Sunday. I will pick my winner and they'll get a mini washing machine. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It was definitely a fun video to film, and that's all. Lighthearted, no drama, but also comment down below what you think about the drama, because I don't know how to feel anymore. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. Bye bye.